Hey sis, hey girl, thank you for tuning in. So I'm back with a video and I know you guys want the tea on this wig because guess what? It's 24 inches, it's full lace, and it's under $300. What it? Yes girl. So y'all been asking for more affordable wigs? I got you. I'm not even gonna play with y'all and hold this tea much longer. Let's get right into it. Alright, so the wig I'm using in this video today is from Y Wigs. It comes with a stocking cap, hair care instructions, and elastic band. So let's jump right into the wig hairline. I immediately noticed that this hairline is pre-plucked to the way that I like it. And the baby hairs have been cut as well. They did not mention this when they sent me this wig, so I'm very surprised about that. This is a full lace wig, baby, so you get a lot of lace, a lot of versatility. Oh, but here's the real tea though. This is a 24-inch full lace wig and it's under $300. What? Yes, girl. I definitely appreciate a pre-plucked hairline because it saves a lot of time. The only thing I have to do with this wig is go in and bleach the knots. So I am going to use a chemical this time instead of the Sally Hansen leg makeup like I normally use. But anyways, I used a 40 Developer, the Violet Kaleido Colors hair bleach. And as you guys can see, I'm just whipping it together and the consistency should be like a thick texture. It should not be runny because it's going to seep through the lace and we don't want that. So I'm just going to use a knife, and it's so much more easier with using a knife to apply. Use a plastic knife, girl. But it's so much easier applying the bleach on the wig using a knife instead of like the bleach brush. It just gets messy, it gets all in the way, and I just don't like to do that no more. So I'm just going to put that all over the. Then once I'm done covering the lace with bleach, I'm going to set my timer for 18 minutes, and then I'm going to wash the bleach out using this Shimmering Lights shampoo that I got from Sally's, and it is the generic brand. I was hoping that I did not bleach the hair on the hairline, but I kind of figured I was doing that once I saw I didn't have the hair pulled all the way back. If you don't and you run into an issue like I have right now where I have blonde hair in the front, I'm going to show you guys how to fix that. So I've mixed up some black hair dye and I'm taking like a mascara brush and I am applying the black hair dye on the mascara brush and gently combing it or brushing it into the hairline, and that's going to dye that blonde hair black. You shouldn't mess up your lace doing it this way. So yeah, just be patient and work in sections, and girl, it's gonna come out perfect. Okay, and FYI, I did let the black dye sit on the hairline for about 10 minutes. And as you guys can see, going in with a mascara brush definitely eliminates, like, you know, messing up your lace, getting black dye everywhere, and just becoming a hot mess. This is like the perfect way to fix if you accidentally bleach the hairs on your frontal. So simple, easy, just takes a lot of patience. Definitely don't bleach your wig if you're in a rush because I mean it definitely can go wrong. So I'm going to rinse it out and put the wig on. Whoo, child, this is a lot of hair. Again, this is 24 inches. It's a full lace wig and it's water wave. And y'all know how I feel about water wave, but we gonna see. So this is what the lace is looking like after I have bleached the lace. No plucking to the hairline done whatsoever. Like I said, it looks like it's been pre-plucked, but we're gonna get into it and see if it really has. So like I said, this is a water wave texture. You guys know I really don't like water wave hair, so I'm kind of nervous yet anxious to see how this hair is going to turn out. I have done a review for Y Wigs before, and that video was super dope because the hairline was amazing, the wig was super duper flat, looked super duper natural, just a overall great wig. I actually wore that wig to Miami. If you guys follow me on social media, you would already know that, but their quality is A1 for real. And girl, get into it. this hair is definitely curly. I don't understand why they named it water wave, because this is not a water wave wig. This is a curly wig, and it is so pretty, y'all. It only has water in this hair right now. This is a lot of hair, so it's taking a good amount of water to get the curls popping, but no issues with tangling, no issues with shedding. And you just heard me say, or you didn't hear me, but you just saw me say, basically, bitch, this wig is the bomb. So I am going to wear my middle part, and I'm really just looking at the part, and you guys know I'm finna pluck the hell out of this part because I can't stand no skinny part. So I'm gonna go ahead and pluck the part, play around with the hairline, and I'm here for it. I do want to take a little bit of the baby hairs out and kind of thin out the hairline a little bit in the front and cut the baby hairs. And I'm not going to do anything drastic at all to this hairline. Just taking a pair of tweezers and just thinning out the baby hairs only, because you don't have to do any plucking to this wig at all. I just like for my baby hairs to be a little bit more thinner than what they did. But girl, this wig is lit. And honey, the simple fact that it's under $300, you get a full lace wig. And in my opinion, a full lace wig is the best wig you can get because it offers so much versatility where you can part your hair anywhere, from straight down the middle to the side, whatever. You're going to get nothing but lace, and it's just going to look 100% natural. And this wig is 24 inches and it's under $300. Talk about affordability. Like, this is insane. I've never seen a full lace wig 24 inches under $300. And just take a look at this curly side. Like, I am blown away. I would have never thought when I first got this wig that these curls was going to look like this after just applying water only. But I gotta be real, the natural state of this wig is not bad either. Looking at it on camera is really not that bad. It would be super cute in a ponytail, but as you guys can see, here's a difference, and I'm into it, girl. Yes, girl, get it. Yeah. I ain't fooling with y'all today. Let me finish doing my hair, and I'll be back. So I did notice that the wig is looking a little frizzy, so I'm going to add my tresemme curling mousse that helps with frizziness and also helps define the curls. And I'm going to put that all over my wig, and it's going to also help, you know, smooth out any baby hairs. My hair is still damp while I am applying this mousse, but I actually like this mousse because, like I said, it helps define the curls, and it makes the curls pretty much last all day while also giving a wet look. And it also doesn't leave, you know, the curls crunchy or anything like that. It still leaves the hair really soft. So I'm just going to apply that all over. Now this is what a curly wig should look like. Hassle-free hairline, pre-plucked hairline, curly hair is coming through. Just a really nice wig. A little bit of frizziness, but that's okay. We put some product on there and fix that. But 24 inches full lace wig, under $300, 180% density. Girl, stop playing with yourself and order this wig. Bye.